Bonjour.
Bonjour.
What's the plan for today?
Well, we've been to the Brico in Carcassonne. We've got a complete shower unit and a whole lot of plumbing and connections and pipes and fittings and vanity to put together the bathroom and shower.
Yeah.
So I'm just putting the bits and pieces out, and I'm so pleased to see this got self-leveling legs.
Yep.
Self-leveling.
Self-leveling. That would be handy if they were self-leveling.
Yeah, they're pretty flat.
Just put it in there and it would sort itself out. So that's the base of your shower.
You're thinking? I'm not sure.
We bought a big floodlight thing to go in here so we could work in the light. That came in like a little kit with the things you need. Everything except the bulb.
Yeah.
So we'll have to.
Oh, there is a light in the bag of stuff on Sudan.
Yeah.
Can you hold these hoses for a second?
You want me to hold your hose?
Yeah, hold on. So I can put this down to see if it's going to fit where we want it. And as you can imagine, the building's not square.
Oh, handy. Wasn't expecting it to be.
So we can pipe in there. Okay.
Okay.
That'll work, eh?
Yep.
Oops. How's that?
Good. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't get the bigger shower.
I think the square one will have taken the space to this corner.
Yeah.
Whereas you've actually got access through here for the toilet.
Yeah. And it's just a little ensuite, so
Yeah.
it's not like a main bathroom or anything. I think you're going to have to chip out those shelf things.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
I know it's going to be a bit of a pain.
There's probably enough clearance to get past it.
Well, depending on
Right.
what goes behind the shower wall.
Nothing. It's a standalone cabin shower. So the walls go up here.
It's quite
Okay.
tall, isn't it?
And it's about that tall. And then we just need to level it out on the bottom with the legs. And yes, we've got instructions. Which
Oh.
is in French.
Yeah, they will be in French. And I mean, are you going to read them anyway?
No.
No. Cool. So that's the plan. Install some kind of bathroom. Right.
Right, that's the cabinet. This must be the plumbing and stuff. We don't need the cabinet right now, do we?
No.
Vanity.
No, we'll do the vanity another day, I think.
Sorry, just plumb the toilet today, or what are you going to do?
Toilet or the shower?
Toilet down the shower.
Just don't know about this.
Put on that chair over there. Up here.
Run this aircon unit.
What have we got in here? Let's have a look, see. So Christmas presents.
All the pieces. Holy moly.
Put this camera over there on that table there, put it over there.
Sure.
If you want. And just put the extension lead on. Like that. You can see the whole room. And then I look it up. Right, that's your vanity. This is for the toilet. Might actually work. Funny.
Funny.
Use that knife.
Right, you need one of them or one of them. One shower base and one.
What is this? This is the walls.
Have you found the plug?
Plug.
This thing.
It'll be in one of these boxes. Which number is it?
Number 10.
Oh. Yes, no numbers on these things. One says 25. No, number 10. Let's just open them up. It's like a lucky dip. It's like a box of roses. Box of chocolate, it says.
Oh, it's so hot.
First, can I say? Yeah, should we turn the aircon on? Right, what is this? This is number 4, number 9, and number after 10. Here's number 10.
Number 10.
Hey, believe it or not, everything's actually labelled in numbers. If you go to a brico shop and you look up top, there's a whole lot of boards with each of the different items and then numbered off. So you know which one to look for up there, then you go to the box below. Quite handy. You know.
Christina. So, number 10.
Number 10.
Must be number 10 because it all comes apart into like 10 pieces. And half of it goes above and half of it goes below by the looks of it.
These are sides, glass sides. Must be. Maybe that's the door and the rose, maybe.
Okay, that's all correct. That goes.
Let me pop down and get some lemonade. You want your cherry cola?
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Kind of busy. Well, so that goes all on the top, and then underneath is that piece, that piece. I don't know why there's two of these.
Probably can stop recording now.
I'm just going to leave it on while we do.
Okay. It'll take a while, that's all.
So that goes on the top of the thing, and then this, and it screws into this underneath.
Oui, ça va le cacher, hein?
Which way is it? The bit I gave you goes on the top. And then you've got to level the feet. And I presume you want to attach up the pipe that comes out of there, eh?
Yeah.
Before you put it into place.
Yeah. It goes that way. Let's go out this way. Okay. Oh, so we won't even need that shower that we bought. Yeah, go outside. I'm not going to look at it. So he's popping. Outside.
No, it doesn't say anything about what happens up there. I guess it's not the shower's business. Coming in behind. Try and look for the spaces.
maybe I've just got to get some of this. Cut a piece off. How much do you want? Just a bit to get the back. Out there. Okay, let's get that there. Should we put some here?
Plus 29. That's a bit, sorry, goes this way. Right there. Right here. Oh yeah. You don't want to stick it out under the base, do you?
How
Oh yeah,
do
it
I-
comes out by the toilet.
Yeah.
Wait.
I don't think it'll get past the... No, it might. Alright. No, it won't. Yeah, I'm sure it's going that way. No, this can also... Won't give these to the legs. On that wall. Like that. It'll work, eh? So the walls have to touch the wall a little bit.
Can't even find the next piece. So.
Doesn't look like it's touched the wall. space in the back. I see the top. Just hold the top together. What are you looking for?
28.
What is 28?
It's
That's the two sides for the shower door.
yeah, so it's like the rim that goes along the bottom of the shower door.
The rim that goes like that, two rounded bits along the top.
Right.
The two rounded bits up there.
No.
Okay.
This is 29. So I thought maybe they're already on the shower door.
Probably are.
Yeah, maybe, shove it up there.
So I'm going to put the shower in now.
Yeah, have you got your connection out the bottom and it's all
Yeah, there it is.
happy?
Yeah, so go it together or just leave it like this for now? I'll leave it together, but I want to do a fit for size first before I put it all up.
Okay, baby. Just try and get this shower done and then we'll go home. The nieces.
shower on that side. You know, the shower's draining towards the drain hole.
It's not bad.
Right. What's next?
So it won't go further back in the corner.
I need to know the pipes and stuff around it.
So then what do you do?
Normally we could do a hole in the wall and
Yeah.
put the pipes in the wall and put a flush. But I'm not going to do that for now
No.
because I'm not going to put holes in the wall, so I'm going to leave it out slightly. When I bolt it to the top of the wall, I'm going to have a little metal bar that comes out to hold onto the shower.
Yeah.
So give me some space in the back. So I
It's
can
just
see.
basically freestanding.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's freestanding anyway, it's a cabin.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
It doesn't get glued to the walls or anything.
Right. I thought it would have to be flush against the wall.
No.
Let's do it again.
Well, it's all screwed together and held together, and there's only two catches across the top which hold either side
Yeah.
so it doesn't fall over. Look, where's your map?
Yeah, okay.
Because I just looked at that. Right at the back here, see?
Yeah.
Got two little of these.
Yeah.
Attach it to the back corner. That's it.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Easy.
It's a cabin. It's all self-contained. All locks into itself.
So I just don't these 28s.
They're probably on the end of the glass, I would
That's
say.
what I wondered. 29.
So, do you want...
15A and 15B.
Is that those?
I don't know.
Are they the walls of the shower?
So these ones. So not the big pieces, but the half pieces, not the wall.
Oh, not the back.
Not the back.
Oh, well, that's in the one that's behind.
Okay.
So is that what we need? One behind?
Yeah.
I think we'll be doing...
Look,
Oh, okay.
I'm just following the
Oh,
instructions.
yeah, no, it's alright. Well, this one needs to come out.
Okay. I'll open
The
that one.
heaviest one of all.
Oh.
Oh, jeez, my gloves.
New gloves.
New gloves. How cool are these?
Leather driving gloves, apparently.
Yeah, they are. Our driving gloves.
That's what they're called.
I've got some black ones. Now I've got some brown ones.
They're yellow.
Yellow, orange, whatever. They're nice.
Good. Treat yourself.
Can you push this thing back? Honey, can
B.
you push this thing back?
You should pick up your tools instead of tripping them. Should try and be neat and tidy in here, not leave pack. B.
Look at my pretty gloves. Zara, look at my pretty gloves. Thank you. You're cute. It's like jigsaw puzzles. You like this bit, eh?
Sort of. I like making
Right.
Right, 15A and 15B. We're hoping that it has 28 on one.
Yeah.
Thirty-three,
22, 18A, 18B.
28.
Right. The back of the shower. The white Whitman.
15A and 15B.
Well, is it a flat piece?
Yeah.
What is this one? I don't know what it says. But there's a flat piece of glass.
There's an arrow going up that way.
Yeah. Have a number. There's a number on the here, look. Yeah, 15A. That's 15A. That's 15B.
15A,
Yeah.
15B. So we need to put 28. And 29, which is over there. A little package somewhere, I'm going to watch that. Yeah, little package.
29.
Yeah. Yeah, 29. So 15A and then 29 needs to go up in the end. Like that.
Okay, down the bottom.
28 needs to
Yeah, down the
yeah,
bottom.
down the bottom.
Yeah, okay, I can do that.